Welcome back, everybody. It's Mr. Lawrence's twin. You don't know my name, and that's okay. Secret identity. Don't want to tell you where I live. Don't want to tell you what I do. I like to wear the same things he wears. John Glenn High School. Here we go. We are starting a new unit here now, and I'm super excited to hear about all the things you're learning because I'm an expert. I'm an expert. You know, and you can become an expert too. One day take me over, take my job, be a teacher at John Glenn High School. Now that would be pretty cool. How about that? Let me see. Who do I think? Jonathan? Remember when I put you in charge of that class? You could be a teacher. History. I think you like history. You're doing really well in history. Let's see. Who else do we got there? Sergio and Ramiro. Way to go on the extra credit, guys. Hey, if you're doing extra credit, that means you are getting that work done and you are going above and beyond. That's what it takes to be a teacher. Not only a teacher, but how about an astronaut? Guys, remember John Glenn? He might have sat in our seats at our school. No, he didn't. That's a lie. We figured that out. But hey, maybe the next astronaut is in our class. Amy, is that you? Mariah? Yeah? As long as you're paying attention, working hard, you can be the next astronaut. Let's do it. You know what? I really believe in you guys, so that's why we're going to do some work today. And I know we love work. So, you know what? Let's get going. Let's get going. We're going to do this right now. So make sure you're on this page. Solar system. Don't worry about the crazy stuff in the background there. All right. Solar system. Make sure you're on this page right here. Nope, not showing you the answers because we're going to talk about it. Let's talk. Let's talk, right? Okay. We have the solar system. And there's a lot of things in the solar system. So guys, we're going to take our time talking about it. Let's go to the beginning. We have the sun. The sun. Guess what I'm going to use as the sun? Soccer ball. Of course. I've got so many of them. Look, it's burst open. Why? Because the sun is a big, a flaming gas. And I'll share with you a little bit more, but this will be our sun. All right. Next we have Mercury. So on this page right here, you need to put Mercury in the line next to the little dot right here. Right there. Mercury, Mercury, Mercury. This is going to be Mercury right here. The sun is big. Mercury is small. Here we go. Done with that. Let's go to the next one. We got Venus right here. Venus. We're going to use this as Venus. We have the sun. We have Mercury. And we have Venus right here. Sorry, you can't see that. Sun, Mercury, and Venus. Okay, moving on. The next one after Venus is, of course, the Earth. It's green because we have life. Here we go. After Earth, we have Mars. You can see a little bit red here because Mars is red. Earth and then Mars. Here we go. Moving on. Okay, after that we have Jupiter. Jupiter is definitely bigger than Earth. Let's do this orange right here. I will eat it later. Don't worry. Let's see. We have, after Jupiter, Saturn. Saturn, sure, why not? Saturn. Let's see. After Saturn, we have Uranus. Don't make jokes about that name. Yeah, I see you, Elijah, trying to laugh. Here we go. Uranus. And Neptune. Neptune. Yeah, why not? You know what? Why not? So here we go. You should have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now here's the thing about this. They are separated by an asteroid belt. Right here. There's a bunch of asteroids in there. Alright? So the inner and outer planets are separated by an asteroid belt. Okay. Because there's a separation, let's say it's separated, boom, we have the sun, boom, we have, all the bigger planets over here, boom, we have the asteroid belt right here, boom. Okay? In between, we have 4 planets here and 4 planets here. We have the sun, 4 planets, asteroid belt, 4 planets. Just like this. Let's see. 4 inner planets, spheres of rocks. The inner ones are rocks. And then we have 4 outer planets, balls of gas. Inner spheres of rocks, outer balls of gas. Here we go. Not only that, but all of those planets are not in a line. They're not, yes, sure, I showed you they're in a line, but in fact, they're going round and around the sun. The sun is the center, and we're going around and around and around it, just like this. Round, round, and around. So pretend I'm the Earth, and the computer is the sun. We're going round and round and around. Getting a little dizzy? So here we go. We have, for each planet, right here, each planet, that's called orbiting. Orbiting, that's a key word that we're going to talk about later. Each planet orbits or revolves around the sun being the center. Here we go. And then we have the Earth, and the Earth goes around, just like we did, around and around and around the sun. Just like Jupiter, around and around. I hope I'm doing it the same way, and around the sun. Here we go. One Earth year is the time it takes the Earth to orbit around the sun. 1 Earth year is the time it takes for the Earth to go, ready? Around the sun. That's a year. Ready? Around the sun. That's 2 years. And how old are you guys? Probably 13, 14. Let's go around the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There you go. Here we go. All rotation and revolution lengths are different on each planet. Now, rotation and revolution are different. Revolution is when it rotates, or it goes around the sun. Rotation is the Earth actually spins. So here we go. Revolution. Here's one revolution. Goes around. Revolution. Ready? Rotation. Kind of like this. Rotating. It's rotating as it goes around. So it goes like this. It rotates as it revolves. So they're different. Here we go. Rotation equals spin on the axis. Revolution is the orbit around. The orbit around. Okay? Here on the left side we have day and night. Day and night as it spins. One half of it will be light, one half of it will be dark. There we go for that page. Guys, let's move on to this one. We have just a little bit more to talk about. Don't run away too fast. But we're now on to this page. Okay? We're now on to this page. Here we go. Let's see. Let me get that sun back. And we were talking about rotation and revolution. How many days are in a year? You guys should already know that. And if you don't, then we're going to talk about it. 1 year is 1 revolution. Like we said. 1 year. How many days does it take? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8, 9, 10, 11, 100, 100, 200, 300. 365 days. So under revolution, 1 Earth year is equal to 365 days. That's the box part. It takes 365 days for the Earth to go around the sun. There you go. Now, that's revolution. Rotation. 1 Earth day, right here, 1 Earth day is equal to 24 hours. That's the box. Remember? Let's see. You are here. USA. Ready? 1 time spinning. We're pretending this is the Earth, even though it looks like Jupiter. Ready? We're gonna spin all the way around. Did you see Africa? Did you see China? And back. 24 hours. That's the box. it takes, right here, 24 hours for the Earth to spin on the axis. Again, 24 hours. Done. Here we go. Now, that is rotation. You can see this little thing right here, this little box. It looks like this. See it? That's called the axis. Axis. So you can put axis in that box. Okay, we're almost finished. Don't hurry away. I know you guys are super happy and just like, wow, this is so much fun. So I have a little, one more thing to talk about, because our solar system is just, it's incredible. The solar system is just absolutely big and incredible. Here we go. Our solar system actually is only one of millions of maybe billions of systems. Millions is one of millions, maybe billions of systems. It's only one of them. Let me show you our solar system. Whoa. Here we go. Let's see if you can see that. Can you guys see that? There we go. We have the sun. We have the sun right here. I'm trying to get the right picture for you. I think you can see that. The sun, Mercury, right here, Venus, Earth, Mars, the asteroid belt, Jupiter, Saturn, or I can't remember if that was Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Don't laugh at that name. Then you're wondering, where's Pluto? Hey, Pluto got kicked out. Okay, Pluto's not really, it's actually called something else. We'll talk about Pluto later. But that is our solar system. The belt, all of these 8 planets, 4 inner, 4 outer. But guess what? There are millions and billions. There are millions and billions of these right here. Let's move on to talk about what makes a solar system. Here we go. In the center of a solar system, solar means star. Star, like sun. Yeah, this is the center. In the center is a medium-sized star called the sun. That's ours, with 8 planets. Now, what happens to the planets? Each planet orbits, revolves around the sun. Every single one of them revolves around the sun. You guys may say, I already knew that. Well, that's awesome. Glad we're talking about it again. You're the expert. Maybe you're the next astronaut. Hey, I'll catch you later. Make sure you take you're nice to Mr. Lawrence in class, and I'll be asking him how it goes. So I hope this helps. Take care. Bye-bye.